Hey, Ezra here with the pre-purchase general sequence part 1, the first email that goes out. And this is like the most important email because it's the first one they get. They just subscribed to be a part of your community. They never visited a sales page yet, right? They just opted in the header, opted in the footer, opted in off a piece of content, general subscriber. And so we want to treat them as such. Let's hop in and take a look at it. Pre-purchase general sequence part 1. So the first email that goes out says, congratulations, you're in the club. The goal is to confirm their sign up, engage them with brand relevant content, build some intimacy. So we, you can see, we say, hey, Cindy here. Thanks so much for joining the Boom Club. Now you get access to all my best makeup advice and fashion tips. So we're kind of telling them what they're going to get in their emails. And here's a very important video I just made on how we can combat ageism and how we commit ageism against ourselves. Most women do it every time they look in the mirror. Watch my video. You know, what age of beautiful are you in right now? So you'll notice that this is like a, it's an introduction to who we are as a brand. It's a unique conversion asset. You know how I mentioned that the post-purchase email sequence had unique conversion assets? So it was like, we're using videos, pieces of content, emails that aren't used anywhere else in that post-purchase email sequence. And this one is also not used anywhere else. It's one of our conversion assets that only gets leveraged in this one place. And we send people to a website where you'll notice we have a video, and I'll give you the URL to this, but they can watch it or they can read everything that's in the video. And then we obviously transition into a sales pitch. And it's a great example of sort of telling a story of who we are as a brand. So our goals for this email is to send people to our website. And what you want to do in this email is tell your story. Thank them for subscribing. Say, thanks so much for being a part of our community. Ask them to join you on social media. Hey, here's a link to like our Facebook fan page. Stick it on the page that they're sending them to. Please join us on Facebook. Talk about your products and why you created the brand and who you are and what you're up to in the world and any kind of unique selling propositions that you have as a brand. Let them know what to expect. Hey, we're going to be emailing you. These are the types of things we're going to send you. And that's really kind of what you need to do in this email. And you'll notice that like 60% of people who got this email from us opened it. We've done $536,000 in revenue from this email. 6% of people who received it placed the order. It's the highest open rate email that we have in any of our sequences, a 60% open rate, which is incredible for email. So this first email that goes out to people, it's just kind of like you can link to your FAQ if you have one. You can tell them how to get to your support. It's kind of like that all-encompassing welcome to our community email. And it's a very important one. If you do nothing else in your general pre-purchase sequence, have that email number 1. Now I'll take you through the rest of the emails we send. They'll be familiar to you. I'll see you in the next video where we'll do that.